This can make or break your health goal. Finding and picking the right spouse. Yes, I said it, the right partner. I once read a book about wealthy individuals and how it was so important that the spouse that they picked actually made a difference in their wealth building status. Because it's important that as you are making decisions in life, right? You are planning on your future. You are, making decisions on a lot of things that's going to impact your health. You want to make sure that you have a supportive spouse. You will not believe how many patients that I see that come and start I'll use weight loss, right? A weight loss program. And they are motivated, they are ready to go. Their first week, oh my God, they've pre-planned, they've prepared their meal, they've shopped, they've thrown all the crap out of the house, and only to start and their spouse comes home with, of course, what? That thing that they don't want to eat anymore, right? And that same spouse is going, offering it to them while they're trying to eat the healthier thing that they've prepared. And that same spouse is laughing at them, asking them if they're hungry, asking them that they must be hungry, and just not being supportive in any way. And those patients tend not to hit their goal, okay? There's no magic to it. They will at some point succumb to that pressure, because if you're doing something that is already taking a lot out of you, right, to plan, to make the right choice, to do the right thing, and then you have someone that just makes it easy for you to fall off, and that person is there with you every day, every waking hour, right, and they are making the wrong choice, but you are thinking you can do that along with that kind of spouse, it's almost impossible, right? If a handful of people can do it, they have the self-motivation, the self-discipline to overlook stuff like that and just continue regardless of that. But most people, their spouse is going to sabotage them, right? So picking the right spouse or right partner or the right, if you don't have to be married. Even, when you are going on a health journey, having that support group that is in line with the journey that you are about to embark on, right? You don't want to go on a fasting, health plan and start hanging out with people that are bodybuilders that have to eat every few hours, to maintain that muscle, right? And you're supposed to be on a plan that's telling you to fast for long hours. After a while, that the alignment is just not there, right? So you want to go with a support group that is in line with what you are doing, right? So a lot of times when patients are starting a weight loss journey, I love it when they come with their spouse, because I'm like, already they are going to be more successful, right? Because now their spouse is on board and he or she knows exactly what they are trying to do. They are in the clinic hearing the plan, and a lot of times the spouse actually joins in. And when that happens, it's a beautiful thing, because we see the progress. They become each other's support mechanism. They cheer each other on. When one person is like craving ice cream, the other one is going, nope, we're not going to do it. We're going to go eat frozen fruits like the doctor told us to do, right? So they're going to be there to support, to actually hold them accountable while they're on that journey. So the spouse can make or break your health goal for the year, right? So if you look at a lot of patients that start in the beginning of the year with their, what do we call it now? New Year resolution. And if they start that with their spouse, the data shows that they are going to last longer on that journey than if they were on it by themselves. I mean, and when I say spouse now, it's supportive spouse. Not one that's not doing the diet with them or doing the exercise with them, or, you know, the one that's on board saying like, we're in this together, we're doing this together. That spouse. Patients that have that kind of support are going to do well. So that's where you want to start, right? When you are planning to go on a health journey, you need to have that conversation with that person that you are with all the time and make sure that they are on board with this plan. Because when you start making healthier foods for the family, you don't want people grumbling and wanting something else that's not so healthy, that's going to derail you from your goal. So those are kind of just simple things that you have to do to make sure that you are successful, okay? So picking the right spouse is hugely important. If you agree, let me know down below. If you disagree, I want to hear. What do you think? Do you think, you know, opposite? Hey, I would like to hear. Maybe there's stuff that might work for you that we'll be able to share with other people struggling with the same thing. I would love to see those comments. See you on the next one.